Welcome to Lomax Halls, where vibrant student living meets contemporary comfort in the heart of Stoke-On-Trent. Step into meticulously crafted ensuite rooms and spacious studios that seamlessly blend modern aesthetics with everyday functionality. Each residence features a dedicated workspace and ample storage space to prioritize your comfort and convenience. Beyond being a place to stay, Lomax Halls is a community designed for your enjoyment and well-being. Socialize in the comfortable lounge, stay active with access to the state-of-the-art gym, and challenge your friends in the games room. Enjoy movie nights in the cinema room and bid farewell to daily chores with the convenient on-site laundry facilities. Located near Staffordshire University and a short drive from Keele University. Explore a variety of dining options at nearby favorites like the Quarter at Potbank or the King's Way, and discover cozy cafes such as Jay's Cafe or the Rabbit Hole Tea Room. With excellent transport links, navigating Stoke-On-Trent is effortless, allowing you to explore the city's rich cultural heritage and vibrant nightlife. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and community at Lomax Halls. Visit amberstudent.com today to secure your new home in Stoke-On-Trent.